Hello everyone, good evening. This is Choyon. Welcome to my video, my dear viewers and listeners. Hopefully well. Today I talk to my presentation. My presentation name is my mother. I tell three steps my mother. So now I start my presentation. My mother is the God's best gift to me. She takes care of everyone in the house. She gets up early in the morning. Every day she cooks delicious food for us. She is very loving and hardworking. My mother is my first teacher. She teaches me good manners. My mother is my best friend. I tell all my secrets to my mother. She is the most important person in my life. So now I tell step to my mother. My mother name is Archana. She is my best friend. She is a housewife. She is 38 years old. She takes care of our family. She gets up early in the morning. She is very hardworking. She is my first teacher. My mother best in the world. She takes care of us. She takes care of me. She cooks food. She cooks food for all of us. She solves all our problem. She loves. She loves us. I love my mother. We should respect our mother. I never disobey her. She is the best mother. We all should take care of our mother. At large, I tell three step my mother. My mother is my favorite person. She is a homemaker. My mother name is Archana. She is about 38 and she is in good health. She gets up early in the morning. She always busy in her housework. My mother is very kind and loving. She cooks tasty food for us. She takes care of everyone in the house. She nurses me in my sickness. My mother is my best friend. She solves all our problem. She is always happy. She teaches me good manners. She is very beautiful. She reads storybook for me at bedtime. I tell all thoughts to her. My mother is my role model. She is an inspiration for me. I love my mother very much. Perhaps she is the best mother in the world. Okay, thank you everybody.